Welcome students. We all know that matter can be classified into three categories, and these are solids, liquids and gases. And we also know about the basic differences among all threes. We know solid has definite shape, definite volume, they show rigidity, they show incompressibility. The reason behind their rigidity and incompressibility is their strong intermolecular forces of attractions between their constituent particles. They have strong intermolecular forces of attractions and they have least intermolecular distances between their constituent particles. They have least thermal energy, they have least diffusion rate. That's why solids are different as compared to liquids and gases. In chapter 1, solid state, class 12, we have also studied about the type of solids, and these are crystalline and amorphous. Crystalline solids, in case of crystalline solids, constituent particles are arranged in a regular geometrical, or we can say in an ordered manner, whereas in amorphous solid, constituent particles are not present in a regular geometrical manner. So we come to know, we can think about that crystalline solids, the particles of crystalline solids are in a disciplined manner, just like person of army, just like soldiers of army. They are arranged in a regular pattern. There may be defect, different type of defect may arise in case of crystalline solid as well, but more or less they will show discipline. We have also studied about the types of crystalline solids. Like we know about that there are 4 types of crystalline solids: ionic solids, covalent solids, metallic solids and molecular solids. Now the main thing which we can notice from here, how much the close packing of crystalline solid particles may show. We know packing efficiency is the percentage of vacant space filled by constituent particles. सॉलिड के जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा नजदीक होते हैं, हम जानते हैं. You can think about this solid sodium metal. The particles of these sodium metals are very close to each other. We can take any other example of any type of solid. You can take example of sodium chloride. The constituent particles in case of sodium chloride are very close to each other. But how much they are close to each other? This is all about the packing efficiency. The percentage of the space filled by constituent particles of a solid is known as the packing efficiency of that solid. Think about it. If we have this type of packing pattern, as I told you in the last video, this type packing and we may have another type of packing pattern like this. Can you think out of A and B which will show great packing efficiency? We know in case of A there is maximum space which is not occupied by the particles. But in case of B, the space is very less in between these particles. This space is known as void or interstitial space. In case of B, this space or this void is of very small size. Whereas in case of A, it is having large size. हमारे पास जो A टाइप का पैटर्न देखने को मिल रहा है उसमें खाली स्पेस काफी बचा हुआ है. as compared to B. So we can say packing efficiency in case of A is less and packing efficiency of B, pattern B is greater than A. So this is all about the packing efficiency. So how we can consider this close packing in case of crystalline solid? Let us discuss about that. So today we'll discuss about close packing in solids, close packing in crystalline solids. So close packing in solid will be studied under three headings: close packing in one dimension, close packing in two dimensions, and close packing in three dimensions. So we will study close packing in case of crystals. In solids, in crystals, the constituent particles are very closely packed, leaving minimum vacant space. We can consider these constituent particles as identical hard spheres. हम इन कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स को एक हार्ड स्फीयर की तरह मान सकते हैं. अब इन्हीं कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स को, जिन्हें मैं हार्ड स्फीयर्स कह रहा हूं, सॉलिड्स के इन पार्टिकल्स को, कोई भी सॉलिड अगर हम लेते हैं, अपने आसपास किसी भी तरह का सॉलिड लेते हैं, वो छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल से मिलकर बना हुआ है. और इन्हीं पार्टिकल्स को, जो इस सॉलिड को बनाते हैं, इन्हीं पार्टिकल्स को मैं इन बैंगल्स के तौर पे लेने वाला हूं. सो वी विल स्टडी इन ए क्रिएटिव मैनर, बिकॉज क्रिएटिविटी इज द अदर नेम फॉर केमिस्ट्री. सो लेट अस study this topic with the help of these bangles. Close packing in one dimension. There is only one way of arranging spheres in one dimensional packed structure, close packed structure, that is to arrange them in a row and touching each other. How? Let us perform it. Constituent particles of solids are present in this manner. सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स को अगर हम वन डायमेंशन में देखेंगे तो हमें वो पार्टिकल्स इस तरह से नजर आएंगे कि हर एक पार्टिकल एक दूसरे को टच करता हुआ नजर आएगा. इन दिस मैनर. सो दिस इज द केस व्हेन वी स्टडी इन वन डायमेंशन. All these particles are touching each other. So we can think about the coordination number. So what do you mean by coordination number? Coordination number can be defined as the number of neighbors touching a central particle or a central atom. Let us think, in all these particles we have this central atom. This is our central atom. Think about it. How many neighbors are touching this central atom? 1, 2. So we can write here coordination number in one dimension will be equal to 2. Coordination number will be equal to 2 in case of one dimension. So this is all about close packing in one dimension. Close packing in two dimension can be studied under two headlines: AA type or square close packing, and second one is AB type, and it is known as hexagonal close packing. So let us study about close packing in two dimension one by one. In AA type or square close packing, how the particles are arranged, I will show you with the help of these bangles. In case of solids, when we are talking about AA type pattern in two dimension, we will arrange this bangle in this manner. This is our first row, as I told you, in one dimension. So this is our first row. Now the second row, the bangles of second row will be above the bangles of first row in this manner. So we will arrange this second row. This second row may be placed in contact with the first one, such that these pairs of this second row, these pairs of second row are exactly above those of the first row. These pairs of two rows are lined horizontally as well as vertically. We can see these pairs are aligned each other horizontally as well as vertically. Now if we'll call first row as A type, if we call this row as A type, this row, then this row will be also A type, because the particles of second row are arranged in the same manner with respect to the first row. So we can say the second row being exactly the same as the first one, so it is also of A type. Similarly, we may place more rows to obtain A type pattern or A type of arrangement. In this arrangement, each sphere, we can think each sphere is in contact with 4 of its neighbors. How? Think about it. You can consider this particle as the central particle. Now it is touched by 4 neighbors, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the two-dimensional coordinate number in this case will be 4, and we can also join the center of each of these bangles, center of each of these spheres. This is the center of first particle, this is the center of second neighbor, this is the center of third neighbor, and this is the center of fourth neighbor. Now what we will get, if we join all these centers, we will get a square. That's why it is known as square close packing. आप इन्हें हटा के देखिएगा तो आपके पास में इन पॉइंट्स को मिलाने के बाद में एक स्क्वायर नजर आएगा, लाइक दैट. सो वी विल गेट सच टाइप ऑफ स्क्वायर आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग ऑल दीज सेंटर्स. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग. इन दिस केस कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर विल बी इक्वल टू 4. So let us discover about the second type of arrangement. So we will arrange second type of solid particles in ABAB type or hexagonal close packing, which is also known as HCP packing in 2 dimensions. So how the bangles will be arranged in ABAB type pattern? This is our first row. Now think about the second row. We can arrange bangles of second row in this manner as well. These bangles are present in the depression of bangles of first row. So in case of solid particles, when we are talking about hexagonal close packing or ABAB type pattern, in that case solid particles of second row are present in the depression of particles of first row. Likewise, so I have arranged bangles of second row. Now I will make the third row. So you can see here we have 3 rows. The second row may be placed above the first one in a staggered manner, such that its pair, these bangles will fit in the depression of the bangles of first row or the particles of first row. If we call first row as A type, if it is A row, and let us think about second row. This row is not similar to A type row, so it will be called as B row. But the third row, the particles of third row are exactly in the same pattern when compared with the first row, are in the same manner, A. So we'll call third row as also A type. So after arranging number of rows, we will have same type of pattern AB. That's why this type of packing is known as AB type or hexagonal close packing. Now what comes or what arises in our mind, why it is known as hexagonal close packing? Let us think about the central particle. This is our central particle. Think about it. This is our central particle. What will the coordination number in this case? It is touched by 6 neighbor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the coordination number in this case is equal to 6. So coordination number is 6 and the centers of each of these bangles can be joined each other. What will form? We can imagine about this structure, this row, this line, this line. We will have hexagon. That's why this type of packing pattern is known as hexagonal close packing or HCP. In this case, central particle is touched by 6 particles or 6 neighbor. That's why it is known as HCP. Two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. And we can also observe there are some empty spaces. There are some voids which are present in between these particles. This void, this empty space, this vacant space, this vacant space, this vacant space. All these bangles are touching each other. This space. So we have different voids. In one row, the apex of triangles are pointing upwards and in the next layer downwards. You can imagine this void, this triangular void is showing upward direction, whereas this void, this triangular void is showing downward. So we have different type of triangular voids in this case. So this is about HCP in 2 dimension. In case of 3 dimension, close packing can be studied under 2 headlines. 3-dimensional close packing, which will arise from 2-dimensional square close packed layers. And in the second manner, we'll have 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional HCP layer or hexagonal close packed layer. We'll study both of these one by one. In case of 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square close packed layer, while placing the second row, we will follow the same rule as it was followed when one row was placed adjacent to the other. हम जो पहली रो के ऊपर दूसरी रो रख रहे हैं, अब अगली जो लेयर रखेंगे वो भी ऐसे ही रखेंगे. In such a manner, in this arrangement, space of both the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. You can see this was our first row, this was second row, but this all is our first layer. Now we'll make the second layer by putting these bangles like that. So I have placed the second layer, bangles of second layer above first layer. Similarly, we may place more layers one above the other. If the arrangement of pairs in the first layer is called A type, हमारे पास जो फर्स्ट लेयर थी अगर उसको हम ए मान लें तो ऊपर जो रखी गई है लेयर ये भी आपकी ए टाइप ही है और जितनी भी लेयर्स हम रखते चले जाएंगे वो ए टाइप की होंगी. कहने का मतलब जो जितनी भी ऊपर रखी हुई लेयर्स होंगी वो नीचे वाली लेयर से सेम या सिमिलर पैटर्न दिखाएंगी. दैट्स व्हाई सच टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट विल बी नोन एज AA टाइप इन केस ऑफ 3 डायमेंशन. द लैटिस thus generated, lattice thus formed is the simple cubic lattice and each of the unit cell is primitive cubic unit cell. सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. हम इससे जो भी यूनिट सेल देखेंगे बनाएंगे तो हमारे पास वो सिर्फ सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल देखने को हमें मिलेगी जो एक क्यूब बन के हमारे सामने आएगा. Now in 3-dimensional close packing which arise from 2-dimensional HCP, hexagonal close packings. हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग से अगर हम बनाएंगे, हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग से अगर हम बनाते हैं तो हम कैसे बैंगल्स को अरेंज करेंगे? वी नो इन 2 डायमेंशन द बैंगल्स ऑफ सेकंड रो वर प्रेजेंट इन द डिप्रेशन ऑफ बैंगल्स ऑफ फर्स्ट रो. हमारे पास जो फर्स्ट रो थी उसकी जो बैंगल्स थी उनका जो डिप्रेशन बना हुआ है उसके अंदर सेकंड रो की बैंगल्स फिट हो रही हैं, उसके डिप्रेशन में आ रही है. नाउ आई विल मेक मोर लेयर्स. So I am using bangles of other color for making second layer and this will be arranged in this manner. It will cover the void of first layer like that. Let us suppose that our first layer, this layer was A, then the second layer which I arranged bangles of this color, this will form the second layer and it will be called as B layer. Since the spheres of these bangles of B layer or A layer, both of these bangles or both of these layer are arranged or aligned differently, we can call them A and B. Now we have different type of voids. All these are the triangular voids and we can see these triangular voids are not covered by B layers completely. कुछ एक voids है वो completely second layer ने fill कर दिया है. मान लीजिए ये void है आपका, इसको ऊपर से इसने cover कर दिया है लेकिन फिर भी ये void बच गया, ये space बच गया है. यहां जहां पे मैं मार्कर रख रहा हूं आप देखिएगा जरा ध्यान से, ये आपका वॉइड कंप्लीटली भर गया है सेकंड लेयर रखने से, इस बैंगल को रखने से, लेकिन ये वाला वॉइड अभी भी थोड़ा सा रहता है. सो वी कैन से वी विल हैव 2 टाइप्स ऑफ वॉइड्स. नाउ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वॉइड दीज आर, विल कम टू नो अबाउट दैट. This is our tetrahedral void. This void is our tetrahedral void because it is touched by 4 spheres. 1 bangle, second 1, 2, 3 and upper one that is 4th. So it is touched by 4 bangles or 4 spheres. That's why it is tetrahedral void. It will form tetrahedron after joining the center of all these 4 bangles. So that's why it is known as tetrahedral void. Now if we compare the other void, this is our second type of void, octahedral void. You can see this void is touched by 6 pairs, 6 bangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 bangles of lower layer and 3 bangles of upper layer will touch this void. This void will be known as octahedral void. So we'll make the third layer after covering all these voids. Both of these voids can be covered by third layer. Now I am covering the tetrahedral void. This is our tetrahedral void. This void. It is covered by 4, it is touched by 4 spheres. So this void will be covered by third layer. Like that. This void. Like that. This void. Like that. This void. Like that. So you can see we have third layer particles are just similar to the particles of first layer. जो थर्ड लेयर में पार्टिकल्स आपके आ रहे हैं बिल्कुल वो फर्स्ट लेयर के पार्टिकल्स के ऊपर आ रहे हैं. देखिए नीचे वाला जो आपकी बैंगल थी उसके बिल्कुल ऊपर ही आपकी ब्लू बैंगल आ रही है. तो इस टाइप की पैकिंग को, क्योंकि इसमें आपकी नीचे वाली लेयर हमने ए कंसीडर की है, ऊपर वाली जो सेकंड लेयर है हमने इसको बी कंसीडर किया है, और ब्लू वाली लेयर को हमने, अगर हम थर्ड लेयर कह रहे हैं, ये थर्ड लेयर बिल्कुल सेम फर्स्ट लेयर की तरह मैच कर रही है, उसके ऊपर ही आ रही है. दैट्स व्हाई सच टाइप ऑफ पैकिंग विल बी नोन एज ABAB पैटर्न. ABAB pattern, and such type of packing will be known as hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension. It will be formed after covering tetrahedral voids. Now we will cover octahedral voids. So how octahedral voids will be covered? By the third layer. This is our octahedral void, because this void is touched by 6 pairs. You can see this void. This is our void. This is octahedral void. It is touched by 3 spheres or 3 bangles of lower layer and 3 bangles of upper layer. So how we will cover this octahedral void? We will cover this octahedral void in this manner. This is also octahedral void, so we will cover it in this manner. Again, this is our octahedral void. Again it will be covered. So you can think the third layer is our new layer. So it is different from lower layer and second layer. सबसे फर्स्ट लेयर थी उससे भी अलग है, सेकंड लेयर से भी अलग है, हमारे पास थर्ड लेयर है जो नई आ चुकी है. दैट्स वाई सच टाइप ऑफ पैकिंग विल बी नोन एज ABC, क्योंकि नीचे वाली हमने ए मानी थी, सेकंड जो लेयर मानी है वो बी मानी है, और ये जो ब्लू वाली बैंगल्स की लेयर है ये आपकी अलग आ गई है, ये सी लेयर है. सच टाइप ऑफ पैकिंग पैटर्न विल बी नोन एज ABC पैकिंग पैटर्न, एंड सच टाइप ऑफ क्लोज पैकिंग विल बी नोन एज क्यूबिक क्लोज पैकिंग और CCP, एंड अदर नेम ऑफ दिस पैकिंग विल बी FCC, फेस सेंटर्ड क्लोज पैकिंग. इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय कवरिंग octahedral voids. Remember it always, the number of octahedral voids are equal to the number of the particles present in this crystal, but the number of tetrahedral voids are just the double of the number of octahedral voids. So this is about the chemistry, our creative chemistry. तो मैंने आपको ये बैंगल्स के जरिए इसको समझाया. So you can learn it, you know. चूड़ी नहीं है ये मेरा दिल है, बस आपको समझाने का. थैंक्स स्टूडेंट्स.